Hello students, today we will start our new unit 3, named as pair of linear equation in two variable. We can represent any data in linear equation, and here we have a two variables. Means here we can solve the problem sums with two variable x and y. We can take any variable. Question number 1. Altaf tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't it interesting? We have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Condition first. 7 years ago. Let the present age of Altaf is X years and the present age of Altaf's daughter is Y years. First condition, 7 years ago, means we have to subtract 7 from the age, both the ages. This is X minus 7 is equals to 7 into Y minus 7. Means it's 7 times their age. Next, this 7 is multiplied with y, we get 7y, and 7 is multiplied with 7 again, we get 49. Now x minus 7 is equals to 7y minus 49. This 7 on another side become positive, and this 7y here it's become negative. So we can say x minus 7y is equals to minus 49 plus 7 is equals to minus 42. This is one equation. Here we have to put any one value from x or y that we have learned in last class, or means in standard 9. Here we have to put any one value from x or y, and we will get another value. If we are putting the value of x, we will get the value of y. If we are putting the value of y, we get the value of x. In this way we can draw the table. With the help of table we can plot it on a graph. Let's start. Here in first I have put the value of x equals to 0. So here this is 0, so minus 7y is equals to minus 42, therefore y is equals to 42 by 6, 42 by 7, so we get result equals to 6. In next, if I am putting the value of y as 0, means 7 into 0 is result 7, so we get the value of x is equals to minus 42. In next, if I am putting the one value of x, means instead of x I am putting 1, so I get the value. If I am putting the value of x y as 1, and I am getting the value of x as minus 35. In the same way, second condition, after 3 years, means after 3 years both the ages would be x plus 3 is equals to 3 times of age of his son or daughter is y plus 3. Now this y is multiplied with 3 and 3 is multiplied with 3, so we get 3y plus 9 is equals to x plus 3. This 3y on another side become negative, so we can say that x minus 3y, and this is plus 3y on that side becomes negative, so 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. Now we can put any value of x and we get a value of y. In last, in first condition we have put the value of x. In some cases we have put x, in some cases we put the y. If here I am putting the value of x as 6, so I get result y equals to 0. If I am putting x equals to 0, so I get value of y as minus 2. If I am putting the value of x as 9, and I will get a value of y as 1. Thus we get a two algebraic equation. Now we have to plot this in the graph paper. This line, if I am plotting a value 0, 6, means in x coordinate we have a 0 and in y coordinate we have a 6. First of all, we have to plot x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now this is enough. This position we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Here we have a positive number 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. In same way on another side it is negative value. Now we have to put the value of both the conditions. At least 2 points are required to plot a line. First we have plotted a 0, 6, another we have plotted minus 42 comma 0. This is the point, this is the point. Now we have to join this point and we get a line. This line having a equation x minus 7y equals to 42. In same way I am plotting another value 6 comma 0 and another value is 0 comma minus 2. Here we have a 6 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. This is the point where we can plot 6 comma 0 and another point is 0 comma minus 2. So we get this two lines. In this way we can represent in graphical form. Question number 3. The cost of 2 apple and 1 grapes, 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes was on the day was found to be 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes is 300. We have to represent this situation algebraically and geometrically, graphically. Let the cost of 1 kg apple be x and the cost of 1 kg grapes would be y. First condition. Here we have a 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes. We are paying 160 rupees. This is the condition. Here we have to put any one value. If I am putting the value of x as 80, I will get a value of y as 0. If x as 60, I will get a value of y as 40. X as 40, I will get a value of y as 80. In second condition, we have a 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes and we are paying 300. In same way, if I am putting a value of x as 60, I will get a value of y as 30, 40 and 60 and 20 and 110. In this we have to put any value of x and we will get another value of y. If I am putting the value of y, I will get the value of x. Thus these are the algebraic expression. Now we have to plot these points on a graph. We know how to plot this point on a graph. These are the points which we can plot as this is 40, 60, 60, 40 and 80, 0. Means first we have to make a x-axis, y-axis and we have to make a points 10, 20, 30 as 20, 40, 60, 80 and we have to plot this. I have plotted the point in last sum also and you can plot this value as shown in a graph. In same way you can plot as this 20, 110, 40, 90 and 60, 30. So we get one line here and another line here. So you can plot this in your notebook and you have to solve this both questions in notebook and second question you have to solve in homework. Thank you students.